Filipino come forward. I, Josh 14, a senior high school student, and on behalf of the graduating class of 2024 to 2025, I am turning over this key of responsibility to you, which symbolizes the duty and functions laid upon your shoulders as the incoming senior student. Continue to protect the good name of our school, nurture the flame and keep it burning. Strive to achieve honor and fame for our dear alma mater. This key also symbolizes limitless doors you can open. Unlock all the doors which lead you on a good path and grab opportunity that comes your way. With this key, we pass on to you the skills to learn, the aptitude to succeed, and the creativity to make difference. We hope to see you all on your dreams come true. Paalam, alma mater.
In behalf of grade 11, 10, 9, and 8, 7 students of our school, I, Drazen Aquino, accept the responsibility. Accept the skill of responsibility with the full understanding of the responsibility and task bestowed upon me. I, together with my family, do hereby pledge to uphold the ideals of our beloved alma mater by pursuing its core values and trust. I promise to do the best of my ability and to set myself as an example worthy of emulation. We will do the best that we can to be the agent of change and bastion of Tanzan National High School's core objectives. We also look forward to amplifying the supreme student government as the authoritative voice of student youth. I believe this is a great responsibility and I am committed in the execution of my duties to earn the confidence you have placed in me. I draw strength from knowing that in the term ahead, I will be serving as a part of a committed team. Moreover, to my friends and fellow students, thank you for your utmost support.